How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Nice to see you. Do you know primary cause of chickenpox?
I know that. Chickenpox is a highly contagious viral infection caused by Varicella zoster. Viral infection Varicella zoster এর কারণে chickenpox হয়ে থাকে। The virus spreads through respiratory droplets, causing a widespread rash and flu-like symptoms. শ্বাসতন্ত্রকে আক্রান্ত করে এবং শরীরে র্যাশ বের